Starting around 13 September 2023, Star Atlas DAO in a real sense, especially is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02%, an extremely kind of most recent 60 minutes, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking incredibly. Polis actually most certainly has an in every way that really matters, all-out market cap of $17,348,309. With the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331 in a sort of significant manner. This especially most certainly makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, certainly positioning at 612 in the cryptographic money market, which certainly is very critical, or so they in a real sense thought. On the off chance that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023. What will Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense be entirely worth in 2023, all things considered, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking in a truly significant manner? Is Star Atlas DAO a decently truly wise speculation, or reasonably by and large worth purchasing in 2023 in an essentially significant manner, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking? Will Polis cost by and large truly outperform its unequaled decently especially high in an essentially certainly enormous manner? These explicitly in every practical sense are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future, which is genuinely huge as opposed to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023. As per the Star Atlas DAO estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost in every practical sense truly is supposed to generally cross a truly normal value level of 12 cents. The normal truly least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to generally be 12 cents in a sort of significant manner. Besides, Polis can truly arrive at a pretty truly greatest value level of 13 cents in a fundamentally huge manner. Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO by and large for the most part is somewhat anticipated to really reach at a sort of least worth of $0.096 in August 2023 in an unpretentious manner. The Polis cost could in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally by and large most extreme worth of 11 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023 in an essentially kind of significant manner in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO value expectation September 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost for the most part basically is supposed to explicitly reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023, while the entirely of normal cost of Polis for the September explicitly by and large stays around 11 cents. Star Atlas DAO value gauge October 2023. The for the most part commonly normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis could essentially go to 11 cents toward the finish of October 2023, so the Polis cost could really arrive at a truly greatest worth of 11 cents, with the very normal exchanging worth of 11 cents, all through 2023, and in every practical sense, significant way. Polis could by and large be exchanging around a sort of most extreme worth of 12 cents, with the truly kind of least expected cost of 11 cents. Especially certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Polis value gauge November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Star Atlas DAO certainly really is supposed to all things considered arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of 11 cents, quite as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Polis cost could essentially arrive at an especially kind of greatest cost of 12 cents, with the truly normal cost around 12 cents. Or so they for the most part in every way that really matters thought in an extremely huge way. Star Atlas DAO value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO, especially by and large, is supposed to in a real sense, especially be at around a very kind of least of 12 cents, showing how Polis for the most part has a really complete market cap of $17,348,309. With the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331 in an unpretentious manner, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO cost can for the most part truly arrive at and in every practical sense, truly limit of 13 cents, with the by and large normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, which essentially in a real sense is genuinely huge, in spite of prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO fundamentally sort of past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been basically especially diminished by 3.34% in its truly kind of current worth, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we basically look at the especially extremely current market cap of the polis with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down, for the most part further appearance. How the polis cost could arrive at a sort of genuinely greatest worth of 11 cents, with the fundamentally really normal exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023. Or so they in a real sense thought in an unobtrusive way. From in every way that really matters, fundamentally most recent 7 days the polis by and large essentially was an especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 18.52%, which essentially is very critical, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO for the most part has shown extremely serious areas of strength for certainly all goals and purposes kind of potential of late, and this could be in every practical sense. Great chance to dive right in, and for the most part really put resources into a by and large huge way. Inside the reasonably in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of polis all things considered, basically diminished by 55.184%, killing an incredible sort of normal amount of 14 cents from its very of current worth, showing how polis in a real sense truly has a sort of certainly all-out market cap of $17,348,309, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Or so they thought. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a very decent in a real sense, really purchase an open door for pretty speedy venture. So the polis cost could sort of certainly arrive at a sort of fundamentally greatest worth of 11 cents, with the by and large sort of normal exchanging worth of 11 cents. All through 2023 in a genuinely significant manner. Star Atlas DAO Value Estimate 2023 Facts. What will truly be Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense, worth in 2023 in a truly sort of huge manner? The polis cost explicitly is gauged to generally arrive at a by and large greatest degree of 13 cents, with especially exceptionally least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023. Or so they in every way that really matters, basically thought. Star's Atlas DAO generally have a future in a really significant manner, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO basically fundamentally has a remarkable extremely in every practical sense, potential to arrive at new levels, sort of beautiful further appearance. How as far as value, Star Atlas DAO basically has an exceptional quite of potential to in every way that really matters, arrive at new levels, or so they truly thought. It most certainly is figure that polis will increment in esteem, or so they certainly thought in a significant manner, as per pretty genuinely unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Star Atlas DAO can in every way that really matters hit the